Ki Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babahatam nagabenta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na benta ke jingkuli ke jingseo ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan, pila ruban syukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Sorkar jala kala budien halor kejing syak sediap jongba running nongkenri hak Shipai Border Security Force hak miet hendro trik jombang arajar apulai hak snong motion penusla subdivision unongai ketien jok Sorkar jala ba polling do ubolong ru menteri Sorkar hak Ïakren begilat pathai khubor hak Shipai trik jombang arajar apulai ulai ro ya Tnat Shipai Border Security Force kabal kem ye kilaingot Shipai BSF kibran keti ban siat yap yo ba running nongkenri nakasnong jalenteng rat nongkenri war hak juk opor loong ba Sorkar kan seshim khia ba Tnat Shipai BSF kade ban Siew Bailutksan shaka Kurim jong ba running
pau ya ka appreciation ke jong ni ya ka move jong ka BSF ban kem ni ki personal jong ki balong involved hak jing peniam jing siap yap ya nuba running nongkenri na jalenteng akan retorik ba ni ai banru ba the law of the land should prevail ba kejing pencipta lagi kan long baik on the basis jong ka kam ka bakile ka balong ka bagi overstep ya ka brief ke jongki but chemika jingim jong new tambak. The first course of action has been the arrest. Now, we will immediately be in touch with the BSF. Certainly, some compensation has to be paid to the next of kin of the victim. So, those modalities will be worked out by the state government in consultation with the BSF higher-ups. See, once the arrest has taken place, then preliminary inquiry from the BSF has already started. Then we will discuss those other modalities. The other more important aspect of the case is that why were they in a civilian area when they were supposed to be posted at the international border. So that particular aspect of the case as a long-term measure has to be taken into account because the primary duty is to guard the international border against various crimes, against illegal infiltration, smuggling. Those are the issues. Now we will push that they should be moved to the international border to do what they are in the first place supposed to do. The only solution is to push them to the international border. They're supposed to guard the international border with Bangladesh. It's a huge stretch and it needs to be guarded properly because there is a lot of smuggling that is happening, a lot of illegal infiltration that could potentially change the demographic balance of Meghalaya. All these aspects, but the minister in charge, Deputy CM in charge, Kurim, would be the best person to respond to the details of this matter. Absolutely. On this point, which is why let the Deputy CM in charge home, I'm sure he is well seized of the matter, and these are matters of detail for the Home Department to attend to. But yes, there has been a violation of rights, violation of the SOPs, and this should not happen again. Ke kamram hi ke jangi kalong ba in tikna ba ESF ki perform ya ka kamram ke jongki but nalol kata donru ka proposal yani ba in create show ki battalion jong state police te kani kan penrap kan enhance ya ka policing ke jongi agi ni than namar ba ki riek badan benta kumpuni kam khai mak egalinti ya ke jongi kadi suat dan ko jongka supervision jong state police shobakin polisi international border. On this matter, the Deputy CM will take a meeting in the next 2 days, and I'm sure that we will be able to handle things in such a way that the current scenario should change for the better.